गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू फ्रेंड्स। आज हम आपको पढ़ा नहीं रहे हैं, बल्कि खेल खेल में हम आपको इंग्लिश सिखाएंगे। तो आइए बिना समय गवाए शुरू करते हैं। इंग्लिश इज ए स्कॉलर लैंग्वेज फ्रॉम अल्फाबेट टू anything, or you can talk from each other, English to English. How you can talk from each other, English to English, we are going to tell about this. Yes, we are starting. First of all, alphabet. Children, do you know about the alphabet? Yes, from A to Z. A to Z. How many letters in English? There are 26 letters in English language. Each language has some letters, and here we are talking about the English. English has 26 letters. How many letters? 26 letters of English language are called alphabet. Here question is making one. What is alphabet? What is alphabet? Answer of this question is 26 letters of English language are called alphabet. E.g. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Children, these are the letters. How many letters? 26 letters from A to Z. All the letters make alphabet. Okay children, this is the definition of alphabet. After knowing the definition of alphabets, after come the definition of vowels. What do you know about the vowels? Vowels, Hindi means swar. Yes, like this. Alphabet means Varnamala. Hindi means of alphabet is Varnamala, and Hindi means of vowel is swar. Okay, and how many vowels and what is the definition of vowels? Children, do you know how many vowels and what is the definition of vowels? Here we study 5 letters of English alphabet. 5 letters of English alphabet which are spoken alone are called vowels. E.g. A, E, I, O and U. Children, what is the definition of vowel? 5 letters of English alphabet which are spoken alone are called vowels. ये 5 लेटर्स हैं इंग्लिश के अल्फाबेट के और ये अकेले बोले जाते हैं, इसलिए इनको हम वॉवेल्स कहते हैं, स्वर कहते हैं. आफ्टर दैट वॉवेल्स कम्स द कॉन्सोनेंट्स. Consonants. And what is the definition of consonant? First of all, we should know that consonant means vyanjan. And what is the definition of consonant? Children, here we study about the consonant. What is the definition of consonant? And how many total letters in English? There are 26 letters in English from A to Z. 5 letters are vowels and remaining 21 letters are called consonant. Like this, we can make the definition of consonant like this. 21 letters of English alphabet that are not spoken alone are called consonant. Are called. We are going to remove or erase this. Okay, children? Yes. Consonant. Sorry. Yes, consonant. Consonants that are not spoken alone are called consonants. Easy. Here we will not write A, E, I, O, U. After remaining letters A, E, I, O, U, we will write here like this: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S. I am going to erase this after that, and this is now. Also after that, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay, these letters are called consonant. Children, today we have studied about the alphabet, vowel and consonant. Here we are erasing 3 questions. Question number 1, what are called alphabet? And question number 2, what are called vowels? And third question is, what are called consonant? You will learn and practice these questions, and we will study after it next day. Okay, thank you so much.